Eczema, instigator the itch. Skin irritation, skin disorder, skin ailment, call it what you like, but eczema is an eruption of the skin causing pain and suffering to millions worldwide. Eczema comes in many different forms. One of the most common is the type suffered by babies and children called atopic eczema. Eczema is a skin complaint which can maliciously cover the whole body. Dry patches of scaly crusted scabby-like clusters mounted in a clump, or red pimple-like sores are just a few to mention of how eczema displays itself on the skin. Not in all cases. Severity of this nature most definitely needs medical attention, and the reason is, because if unattended the sufferer gets to prolong their agony by scratching. After an attack on the skin with fingernails, expect the infected area to become wet after the oozing clear fluid, which sometimes consists of specks of blood, settles around the open pierced skin. A skin complaint, like eczema, can flare up at any time through a number of reasons. As the years pass us by, our skin starts to thin and becomes drier, thus contributing to vulnerability of eczema affecting us in the ripe old years. Then we have allergies developed from exposure to things we find that does not agree with the skin, hence allergic reactions. The instigator behind why the scratching takes place is the distressing symptom, the itch. A patient does more harm than good by scrubbing away at the flesh, seeking contentment and easing the itch. Damage done by scratching can result in an open wound prone to infection. Some types of eczema can be surrounded by a redness which changes color each from bright red to barely showing at all. Because eczema is normally dry and scaly, it prevents and reduces the quality of the skin and its performance in doing what nature intended, and that being is to protect against heat, cold, and all forms of bacterial infections. Medical treatment is advisable in every type of eczema, whether it mild or severe. Hospital admissions have been imminent in some cases, where the human body has been ravished by this complaint, or where infection has set in after a fingernail beheads a pimply spot. The largest organ, weighing in at approx 4 kilograms, is the skin. A great many people are unaware and intend to ignore the skin and its needs. The skin, like any other part of the body, needs attention. The hair is nourished with conditioner, the teeth with toothpaste, so why not the skin? This coverage of about 2 square meters covering the human body has to stand up to appalling weather conditions / bumps / knocks, and itching. Remember, the skin is your borderline with the environment, which is not in the very best of health at the moment. So while environmental friendly activists fight a good cause to stamp out pollution, then please protect the skin. Visit in www.newnice.info/cure-eczema or click the link in description to learn more.